Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a paint correction on this beauty. It's a C3 Vet from the 70s. I should know this. I don't know what the hell I'm even talking about. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna do a paint correction on this thing. As you can see, let me see if I can bring you guys close up. This paint has seen better days. I don't know if it will pick it up or not. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a good, look how horrible it is. So we're gonna see if we can fix this, get her shining again. It looks like it has a nice shine to it underneath. So this car has just obviously been neglected for whatever reason. Ooh, so sad. I think it's gonna clean up really well though. Oh yeah, look at it. You can see all the scratches and the fogginess. All right, so before we get started, I have to tape up all the edges and all the chrome stuff we're not gonna want to hit with the buffer, and I'm gonna tape up the top with some plastic for the interior since it's black leather and it's actually in really nice condition, so I don't want to hurt it or destroy it or anything. And there's not too much chrome, but that'll get polished afterwards as well. So we got some work to do.
Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep in my.
All right, so I got everything all ready to be corrected. All the rough spots are taped off that we don't want to hit. Basically is, I'm gonna show you guys, like I'm gonna do like the tape line here. That's the famous thing everybody does to show like the before and after here. So I'm gonna tape right in the center. I'm gonna paint correct this side, and it's got really good light, so you can really see the differences here. And then after I show you guys that, then I'm gonna go to town and start finishing the rest of the car. All right, so before we get started here, for anybody that's interested, I'm using the Griots 15 millimeter throw with a Lake Country, a microfiber pad, and the Griots correction system polishes and compounds. And it seems to be working very well for me. That's what I've been using for a long time. I've tried a huge amount of products, and nothing, in my opinion, cuts like this does. So this stuff really is the boss system. This stuff's pretty damn good. So let's give it a whirl and see what we can come up with on the Vet. I don't think you guys are ready for this. That was just a little quick one step. Look at that. Look at the difference. Look at the line. Look how juicy it is. Ooh, look at the reflection. It's not even polished. It's just a one step. Oh my Lanta. Yeah, this thing's gonna come out really nice. Get it from a different angle. It's really hard to tell. Wait, let's see if we can get it. Kinda, sorta. This is like the best angle right there. Yeah, you can see it right there. I need more lights in here, I know, don't judge me. Ooh, look at the shine difference. You could totally see a difference. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but look at that. Ooh, remember what it looked like before? Yeah, see right here? All hazy. Now look at that. Oof.
Settle down, let's done start, gotta tell the ground. Left me here to weep and moan. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up.
Alright, as you can actually see, I'm fucking sweating my ass off. I've been working on this thing all fucking day. But if you look at it, it's juicy. So, basically, I have to untape the spots that we taped up and put the chrome rack back on. Speaking of chrome, I polished all the chrome on the wheels and the front and rear bumpers. And I didn't do the mirror because the mirror was kind of falling off and it's really pitted, so I didn't really want to waste my time. Or break it for that matter, so I left it there. But so I'm gonna get all this untaped and we're gonna bring this outside for the finale.
Start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up,
guys, that is it. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for tuning in. The car came out really freaking great. The owner is on his way to pick it up, and I got a bunch of other work to do. I got some nitrous tanks coming. There's a video on that. Stay tuned for that, and keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. Appreciate it.
It's loose, it's dead and gone, left me here to weep and mourn.